Welcome back to AyeshaFoodLab. Today's about mastering the basics, getting a handle on those simple tricks that'll make your cooking better. We're talking 10 kitchen hacks, and listen up because these are game changers. Whether you're a complete mess in the kitchen or you think you're a cooking expert, these tips will save you time, save you stress, and might even save your next dish. This is for all of you who think a blender's just another gadget to clutter the countertop. You use it once, then it sits there because cleaning it is a pain. Well, listen up, you folks. Fill that blender with warm water, a drop of dish soap, just a drop, mind you, and blend it for 10 to 15 seconds. Rinse it out and it's cleaner than new. Honey peanut butter, that sticky toffee you all love. They're tasty, but they're a real pain to handle. Next time, before you even think about dipping that spoon in, use a bit of oil. Lightly grease the spoon, a little dab will do, and watch as everything slides off like magic. Boiling potatoes or eggs, don't you dare tell me you're peeling them under a running tap, wasting precious time. Get yourself a bowl of ice water, as cold as you can get it. Once those potatoes or eggs are cooked, put them straight into the ice bath. A quick dip, and the peels almost fall off. Bananas. They go from perfectly ripe to a mushy brown mess faster than you can say banana bread. But there's a fix, you lot. Take some plastic wrap or aluminum foil and wrap it tightly around the tops of those bananas. It slows down the ripening process, giving you more time to enjoy them. Chewing gum stuck where it shouldn't be? Don't worry, grab an ice cube from the freezer and rub it over that gum. Once it's nice and frozen, just scrape it off. Rotis, parathas, they're best served hot off the griddle, but sometimes you need to keep them soft and bendable for a bit. Here's the trick: a simple napkin or tissue. Just place it inside the container with your flatbreads. It'll soak up any extra moisture, keeping them from going dry and hard. Overcooked the rice again, haven't you? Ended up with a sticky, gooey mess? Don't worry, I've got you. Take a slice of bread, plain, simple bread, and place it right on top of that rice. Put a lid on it, give it a few minutes, and the bread will soak up all that extra moisture. Frying food shouldn't mean you need a special suit to avoid the oil splatters. Before you even think about adding your food, sprinkle a pinch of salt into the hot oil. It'll create a barrier, reducing those dangerous and messy splatters. Want to get every last drop of juice out of your lemons or oranges? Before squeezing, put that lemon or orange in the microwave for 10 seconds. Or, if you don't have time for that, give it a good roll on the counter, pressing down hard. You'll be surprised how much more juice you can get. Nothing ruins a good bag of flour like finding out you're sharing it with a bunch of bugs. To keep those pesky bugs away, toss a few bay leaves into your flour container. It's a natural bug repellent that'll keep your flour safe and sound. There you have it, 10 kitchen tricks that'll make you wonder how you ever managed without them. Now stop making excuses and start cooking like you mean it. If you found these tips helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. Subscribe to AyeshaFoodLab for more cooking ideas. And don't forget to share these tricks with your friends. They might actually thank you for it. Until next time, happy cooking!